Welcome to Kannan Karnataka vlog. Reduce teeth, reinstate minimum damage teeth. Whether it is possible, let us see. This is Kannan. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Nowadays, everybody from child to adult facing some problem in their teeth. Teeth pain or decayed teeth or damaged teeth. This video helps you to find a solution for reducing the teeth pain and also minimum damage caused to the teeth. We have three different items. One is that Colgate paste. Selected Colgate white paste. This Colgate paste is for one solution. You just apply the Colgate white paste to the teeth which has got pain. Just apply that paste in the night and you sleep. The pain will reduce. Without using a painkiller, can just reduce the tooth pain. Two items which may reduce the tooth pain also. At the same time, the main purpose is for restoring your teeth has got minimum damage, not a maximum one. Which if it has got maximum damage, you approach the doctor to replace the teeth. We have two items for that. One is that slacked lime or hydrated lime. Another is that vitamin D3 tablet. I have used only slacked lime to restore my minimum damaged teeth. Once I have got a tooth restored. But here I am adding one more item to that, that is vitamin D3 to fastly restore your teeth. This vitamin D3 is, it may comes in 2-3 different variants like 1000 micrograms or 2000 and 60,000 micrograms. I am here using 2000 micrograms and this is slacked limes which is available in the shops. I have just the lime pouch and I am just putting it on that. I think this is enough and just removing that vitamin D3 tablet, vitamin D3 gel tablet. I am just adding this to that slacked lime. I am just mixing with this brush and you can just apply to this damaged tooth or the teeth which is getting pained. You apply restore the small damaged teeth. You protect the teeth from getting wet so that the lime will interact with that teeth and get restored. Two different pictures. First I will deal with the second picture. You will find some minimum damage caused in this region and in this region. In the second picture, actually this has happened to me. I have just applied some slacked lime or hydrated lime to this place. Within few days of applying, I have glad news that that area was closed, that calcium was absorbed by the teeth and it has got a better one. This is advantage of applying slacked lime directly to the teeth. But remember, don't apply to rest of the mouth area like tongue, mouth and other skin areas because it may cause severe irritation and it will even cause some wounds in the tongue, mouth that may be painful. So just apply to the teeth only those slacked lime. This is the first picture. In this picture, we have three different pictures. First, the tooth is just getting grayer or yellow or brown. In this, the tooth has got damaged. In this, the tooth has got totally damaged. So, in this type of teeth, you may have little pain or no pain. But here or before this damage, this brown part, you may have some pain in the tooth sometimes, or
You may not get pain, but the color may change. Those who often take chocolate snacks, they will have some this type of problem. The third teeth that has got damage to maximum level. The next level you may remove the teeth, back tooth. This area you have to apply the slack lime with that vitamin D3 if you are having any pain, or you can just apply the paste during night. This is the maximum stage it has attained for repair of the teeth. You have to apply here the D3 tablet gel along with the slack lime here. This to repair this teeth. If possible, if you are lucky, the teeth will get automatically reinstated. It is impossible for anybody to suggest this way. Nobody has suggested this type of solution. Temporary remedy for around 5 to 6 years. The tooth won't get damaged. You can use monthly once or 15 days once. If there is any abnormality growth in teeth, you stop using that vitamin D3. Use alone slack lime. In case further, if you are facing any issues like abnormal growth, you stop that totally and you approach the doctor to solve the solution. If you feel that there is an abnormal growth, but the problem is reducing, you just apply to this main area. Don't take water during the night after applying, and you try to make it dry always. The slack lime won't cause burn to the mouth or tongue. I think this for this problem you have to totally approach the doctor. You may try if your problem is solved, but I don't think the problem is solved for this type of black. This is sole solution for this type of damages that I have found of my own. If the problem solved, you thank me. If the problem is not solved, you approach the doctor. Caution: abnormal growth may occur, so you please apply that slack lime in the exact place where there is a pain. Raw solid slack lime may cause severe irritation and immediate wound, but will be effective if applied to the painful or damaged area of the tooth without touching tongue, mouth, and other parts of the teeth. For better result, use solid slack lime, but caution of injuries. If severe burn occur, please use water to dilute and use. Applicable for minimum or just decayed tooth and damage in minimum outer area of tooth. Conclusion: if the problem of the tooth is not stopped, please use painkiller or approach the doctor. Some tooth may have calcium absorption capability as it happened in true life. Reinstated my minimum damaged teeth front tooth for minimum damaged tooth, not a guaranteed one, but may reduce further damage if used solid slack lime.
D3 absorbs calcium.
Thank you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kannan Karnat Tech Vlog.